Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Raven County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Oconee County and upstate South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Clayton, or over Lake Mott, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Clayton, Mountain City, Tiger, Lake Raven, Lake Mott, Tallulah Gorge State Park, Oconee State Park, Black Rock Mountain State Park, Mountain West and Long Creek. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Raven, Georgia, and Oconee, South Carolina. The National Weather Service